Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I decided to do something different with price action, and I'm trying to take a couple of trades on the support and resistance. Okay, the trade's gonna be 3 to 5 minutes and my entry is gonna be exactly right here for 5 minutes. Okay, so basically we have the support area. Let me just bring my pen and we're gonna just look at the chart from the bigger picture. For example, I'm not gonna zoom in. I'm not gonna go in depth of the price movement. For example, here you see that the price has been jumping up from this area. Okay, jumping up. So this area is gonna be support at the bigger picture. Okay, and here basically price can jump up, and since we go for 5 minutes, it's high probability just close above this. Since we have this level right here, this area is the common point of the buyer's entry, right? It can come down and jump up from here, but I'm going with the buyers exactly right here because I see a lot of rejection. I need a movement like this. Let's see what's going to happen with this one. Let's see other pairs. Yeah, look at the bigger picture. The price has been bouncing down from this area, and after seeing this engulf right here, just like the previous ones, we can expect the price drop, but we missed this opportunity right here. Okay, so what is the closest? Look at this base right here. This can support the price. Let me add this up there so we can see it clearly. Yeah. Let me just look at the other pairs. I don't know why my internet is so freaking slow these days. That's crazy slow. Okay. Okay, so you see that we have the support area here, and price has been jumping up from here. And finally we broke this one and the price just dropping. Okay, so this support, this one also can play a resistance role for us, but we can't enter right here because we might the price might play right here and then go up and then drop. So I'm looking for such a movement of the price. I mean, I want the price to come inside of this area, and then if I see the sign of seller's entry, I'll probably enter. I don't know, we'll see. Let's check other pairs. Yeah, this is the first trade. Okay, oh, we have a doji here as well. This is a rejection market. We have a doji. The doji is breaking. I don't know, I really want to take this doji if this is breaking right away and closing somewhere here. That'll be perfect. And this market is a rejection market, it means that there's a lot of rejection. So if we break this doji from upside, and then if this can close here, and then we got a rejection in the next candle coming up, we can enter on this point, and then the candle's gonna drop. Okay, so if that happens, that'll be perfect. Okay, but it doesn't. Yeah, it broke this. Let me see. I'll go half right away. I'll go half right away for 1 minute, and then the next half I'm gonna add this up here. Okay, we have also this round number, so maybe the doji not gonna work and I will secure this one. That's why I enter half here and half up there. I hope the price comes up. Okay, a little more. No, man, I missed this entry, right? Yeah, I was about to enter on this round number for just safety, but this one was pretty cool. Damn, I missed that second entry. No props. Okay, so we basically took this 5 minute right here, and then we saw a doji. You already know I love dojis, right? Then we have this kind of weak seller's entry. and also this outside bar. I mean, like if the price is coming up, that would be amazing entry, but you know, I just missed it. Okay, and this trade is also about to close. Yeah, let's go. Okay, you see that I told you that this base right here can support the price, and it's doing the same thing. Just don't go, like if you want to go with the sellers, don't go at the middle of the trend. Okay, you have to take the trade right here. Again, like don't go with the sellers right here, because we have this, I mean, this is a demand area, right? And also this is a uptrend right here. But let's just check out their pairs. Okay, you see that this resistance area, the price is right here, but I don't see any sign of dropping for this price. And if you look at the past, we had this trend, and potentially we can have this one. But I have to see some seller's entry, but I don't see that, so I'm not gonna take any action on this one. My connection is so slow, I'm sorry about that. Okay. We have this trend line, right? We have this trend line and buyer's entry here. And the next buyer's entry should be from here, but for now it's not safe to enter. Okay, you know what? I'm entering for 5 minutes right here. That's a little bit risky, but no problem. I will take this. So here you see that the visible buyer's entry is exactly right here. Okay, so the buyer's entry is just coming down, right? So the next one right here, and the next one even lower. Okay, I don't know if this is making sense for you. This is something what they call it, experiential. Is that even a word? Okay, anyways, so we have this buyer's entry, the next buyer's entry. We had a buyer's strength on this one, and we broke the previous swing. So this can be also a discount trading. Okay, but we don't care about the discount or something. We just trade based on the support and resistance for now. Yeah, like I said, this is a risky one, but no problem. Let me just check out the pairs. Okay, see here, we have this support area. We have this support area. Let me just draw this. Don't forget to try this in the demo. Don't just go in the live account right away. Okay, you see that the supports are coming down. So next support probably lower than this one, just like this. And yeah. And you can try all of this, or everything you see here in a demo account before going to live account. And there's a link in the description. That's a free demo account. You can try it out if you're new, okay? And also, if you sign up with the link in the description, your first deposit is gonna get like 50% bonus, I guess. And you can use that as well. So yeah, here still I don't see any sellers entry signs. This is a ranging market. It doesn't mean that we have sellers. If what I mean by sellers entry is good, seeing an engulf or something right away. Okay, but we don't see that. So buyers are still strong on that. Okay, we have a support area, has been supported the price one time, but the previous time we got a red-green pattern, and then we broke this base, come back to the base and going up. And for now, I'm not sure if it's gonna do the same, so I would probably wait for coming down, and then I get a better entry for this one. Or I can just enter right away. But you see that the support is this area, so the next support probably down here, somewhere here, right? Based on this support area, but this is in the middle of the nowhere, and I don't know if this is safe to enter this one. No, I'm not gonna enter this one. And this is the trade, my buy trade right here. We have a sign of weakness right here. The moving average is resisting the price, but we have a strong seller's candle. Let me see. Okay, we have resistance, resistance, support, support. It's supply area, previously touched and dropped. And now the best entry is gonna be here. Okay, this is the trend line combined with the supply, support becoming resistance. Okay, so if the price comes here, I'll probably enter the trade. Okay, so let me just draw this one. This is called trading based on the support and resistance. Okay, in the price action view. But it's already getting rejected. It means that this area is pretty strong. So let me see. So I need this price to come up and then I will enter. But for now I'm not gonna enter. Okay, this trade is about to be a winning trade as well. Okay, here, this is the sign of seller's entry, right? So let's just take a trade. But my entry would not be very good here. I mean, look at the past. We have this one, and my only concern is we can't have this one right here. Okay? Because we have same behaviors here, and the buyers didn't enter after this. But we might have like, it would be like a trick to make sellers enter and then they just keep going up. So I'm probably not gonna take this trade. Because we have same behavior before, right? And we just go back like too far in this resistance area, but not taking this one. Like, look at this one. Previously, we got like a good entry of the sellers right here and then drop, and exactly prices right here. So I could enter like somewhere here, but okay, price is at the support area right here, and I'll probably go with half of the amount right here because that's kind of risky, and my other entry can be down here for better result. Okay, this carries a lot of buyers, and this is like a support area, right? This area is a support area. Basically, price can jump up from here, but the entry is very important because we might lose just because of, you know, a couple of seconds, and that's because of the bad entry. If we consider this area as a support, here we'll see. This is a downtrend though. Look at this one. This is a downtrend, right? So this is basically against the trend, but it's still on the support. Like if we have an uptrend, like if there was an uptrend and it still try to take your trade on support, that would be very good. But for now we are on this downtrend. The price is coming down. Okay, so this support might support the price a little bit and then drop. So that's why I go half of the amount. This is kind of risk management you can apply to your trading. When you're taking a risky trade, you can just lower the risk half, or you can take this one, and then if you see coming down, you can enter one more entry down here. So maybe you can secure the losing one. Okay, these are some, like you can have some creativity in terms of managing your risk. It should be smart. So let me just check other pairs. Okay, this is also another support area. It can support the price. I'm gonna take this one, but again with 50. but I need a better entry. So you see that the support is coming down every single time. So maybe my support is gonna be somewhere down here. So my entry is better to be at this area. So let me see. Let's take this as a 5-minute trade. And the better entry would be down here, exactly right here. Okay, when we have a trend and then you see this situation, there's like, if you have a good support area down here, probably price gonna go aggressively to take the buy orders right here, and then it's gonna jump up. Okay, so every time you see weakening, it doesn't mean that the buyer is gonna enter. Okay, it's gonna be weak, and then, like for example, the trend is coming down, and basically there's some sort of support area, and you're expecting to bounce up from here. Okay, but there's a better support entry or any demand area down here, and the price is already weak right here, and this support is kind of supporting the price and it's weak. So in this case, so many people expect the buyers to enter, but you see weakness here. If the buyers would enter, they would enter right away. Okay, because if this was a strong support, they would enter right away. But sometimes we have pending orders down here. I'm talking about like in general in the forex and binary option. So the market behavior is going to be like this: come get this order and then go up. Okay, so always take when you're trying to take your trades in the support and resistance like this, like for 5 minutes, try to enter try to have the best possible entry. Okay, this is the weakness. It can come down and then go up. This is the winning trade. Okay, and this trade left. So when you're trying to take your trades at a higher risk, just enter half of the amount. And don't panic if you lose a couple of trades, no problem. And if you lose a couple of trades, don't worry. For example, if your winning ratio is 60%, it means that you're gonna win 6 trades and lose 4 trades. So obviously your losing trade is gonna be one of these 4 trades if you keep on trading with your same strategy. Okay, so that's why always people and traders advise the beginners to just don't change your strategy. Whatever you're doing, keep doing that. Obviously, you're going to have losing days, you're going to have winning days. Also, don't forget to like the video, okay? Thank you. Alright, this is the last trade. It's already a long video, you know. I have to stop right here. Let's just wait this trade to close and then peace out. Alright, this was the last trade. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to try this in a demo, and peace out.